explain to us how those rigid ontologies, specifically something like ISA 95, would maybe fail in a real world implementation or real world environment?
Well, there's so much difference and diversity in factories. For a while there, we thought, well, what if we can just do a one size fits all approach, and then that's encapsulated in standards. I think we run the danger of, if we pin it down to rigid standards, that we limit the amount of use we can get from data. And therefore, we have a different view. The standards are almost created by the act of building context and knowledge over time. And so that's the approach we're leaning into. How do you make sense of your factory? Well, you get some data and then you say, okay, what does that mean? Why is that important to me? Okay, it's important in this way and that way. And that's how you start to build context. It's not, here are your ISA 95 standards, follow that, follow the script. Yep, you've done that, tick. Okay, job is done, we've got context. I just don't think it works like that. And I think the evidence out there is that the speed of learning and improvement and application of data isn't happening to the way we expected. We thought it was straightforward, it's not. And so I think we need to find an approach where we can really deliver that speed of context learning in a more flexible manner.